HRBPACK, a global leader in producing high-quality carton machinery. Our journey began in 1991 in Bologna, Italy, with the establishment of BIMAC SRL. BIMAC started with a 3,000 square meter plant and 42 dedicated staff, producing and selling the renowned Flexo folder gluer casemaker box line. Our commitment to excellence in carton machinery made us a trusted name in the European market. In 1999, HRBPACK Group was founded in Hebei, China, expanding the global reach of carton machinery production. With a larger plant space of 12,000 square meters and a growing team of 58 staff, HRBPACK Group specialized in producing corrugated cardboard production lines, flexo folder gluers, flute laminators, stitching, and die-cutting machines. In 2015, BIMAC SRL saw great potential in HRBPACK Group and acquired shares, leading to the formation of BIMAC HRB. This collaboration combined European technical expertise with Chinese manufacturing efficiency, creating a new vision for the global carton machinery market. Today, HRBPACK produces Euro-standard carton machinery for customers all around the world. Our state-of-the-art facilities and innovative technology ensure that we deliver high-performance machines that meet international standards, all while maintaining affordability for our clients. At the heart of our product line is the Flexo folder gluer, known for its stability, efficiency, and precision. This machine has become a favorite in the global market, helping businesses streamline their packaging operations. With BIMAC's European standard technical drawings and HRB's manufacturing expertise, we're constantly innovating. Our goal is to produce machines that are not only more affordable, but also more stable and reliable. Our carton machinery is trusted by businesses in industries ranging from packaging to manufacturing, and we take pride in offering solutions that help them meet their production goals efficiently. Our vision at HRBPACK is simple: produce world-class carton machinery that is both affordable and reliable. We want every business, no matter its size, to access the best technology without compromising on budget. HRBPACK, where European standards meet global affordability. Let us help you take your business to the next level with cutting-edge carton machinery solutions. For more information, visit our website and see how BIMAC HRB can provide the best packaging solutions for your business.